Hello everyone, this is Emre from Algorithmic Finance. On this video, we will keep coding grid system that we have started one video before. So this will be the second video. So on this video, we will also cover the things that we learned in the first video. Then we will move on this and today's subject and today's function that we will be learning. But if you want to learn in details, so please go these cards and start from the first video, so you will have deep knowledge about algorithmic trading and how we can code it and so on. But if you just want to stick in this video, so that's fine. Already we will also summarize this earliest video. So now let's move on my computer and start coding. So I go meta editor window. This is version 1. This was the version 1. So we learned how we can send by order earliest video. So here I go and open contain folder, and I will copy and paste this file. With only differences, I'll change the name. It will be version 2. So in case of I do some mistakes and I just want to go back this old file and so on, I just switch this old version, and all the code that we write and maybe mistakenly change something and so on. So it will not be any problem at all. So now version 1. So this once we put input means that we can change these parameters without getting into coding. So let's see meta editor window, expert advisor, and name was grid version 2. So when I drag and drop, as you see this input section, I can rearrange this size. So if I just put here 2, and the system will open 2 load position, and if, as you see, it's 2 load, if I just click and if I want to change and 1, then system will open 1 load position. So this is the parameters that I can easily change. Okay, so we know how we can open by position. Now I will do input double at pos equals $3. If the first position goes $3 in loss, then system will open one more buy position. So how to arrange this? From this tab, I define reference point. So if position total equals 0, if there is no open position, then system will open one lot buy position. Once it's opening buy position, reference level will be a symbol ask price. So for example, we opened the position at 5 and the reference level will be 5, and now I can look if position total not equal to 0, which means I already have open position, and if symbol info double null ask smaller than reference point, if it is smaller than this, then I can just do exactly the same thing here. I will open one lot buy position and change the reference point again. I compiled. Now let's work in backtesting. View strategy tester. Visualize the name white grid version 1. Gold. I will start in gold, and input it will start with one lot $3. When the first position goes $3 in loss, then system open will one more lot buy position. And by the way, I change also 0.1 because system may open lots of positions, so I don't want to have trouble with the balance margin level. Okay, as you see, the first position came. So when I go, as you see, the time system goes in. So let's check we defined something wrong. and the system just keep opening position, same level. So let's look again. Okay, so I should change, we forgot to put reference minus add position. So we have forget to put this add position, not only in just downside of reference level, that also $3 should move. The position should move in lost in at least $3. I start again. I go slow by slow. Okay, as you see, just $3 after it opened one more position. Okay. As you see, every $3 down, the system open one lot more position, one lot more position. So the thing is here, so we didn't define anything to close this position. So let's do also add some stop loss. Input double CL stop loss. Stop loss would have been and $20, and I will put double take profit equals take profit will be $5. So also let's, by the way, get this ask price as double, because I need to use this ask price a lot. Ask symbol info double. I get this ask price from here. Then everywhere that I need to define ask price, I'll just put here directly. This way I will save lots of place on coding and it will be much faster. So all I need to do is just define once as double ask and up top. Then I can use this ask definition of ask and everywhere. Okay, so when I put stop loss ask minus stop loss ask plus take profit. So let's do copy and paste to make it faster. I compiled again. Now it's time to run. I run, as you see, when the system opened position and then they put stop loss and take profit. Okay, first position and reached the take profit level, and then this first position was closed with $5 profit. And within the minute that the position is closed as take profit, then system opened one lot position, one more position again, because this definition. So if there is no open position, then send order buy. So this, because of this condition, and system opened position again. So let's keep running. This time position take profit with $50 each position, and the stop loss was let me check again, and stop loss was $20, take profit was $5. Just because I am opening the position 1.01, then it will open 1 ounce gold, so which means the position will end up $20 lost or $5 take profit. So let's run again. Start. As you see, this time we see clearly, so how much, what was the profit, what was the loss. So let's check. So, or let's not put any stop loss at all. So I'll just delete the stop loss, or I could do this, I can just do stop loss is so large, like $2,000. So this is the level that it can never reach, at least in short term. The system will just take profit small by small and open position again. Let's see. As you see, system closing the position when it's reached a small amount of profit, but it keeps the position if they are in loss, and it just stays as open position. As long as there is volatility on market and the price moves and up and down in some range, so the positions were closed by this small take profit. So let's move forward. So this is the main idea of this grid system. On this example, we wanted to close these tickets so separately. Each has their own stop loss and take profit. But meanwhile, I can just calculate all and just do one single stop loss, one price level. So I can get the average of open position, and when the price reach at certain level, it may just close all position. I think that would have been the better way to check the positions and to control it, because with this way there's too many positions open and closed, and we don't know which one is open, which one is closed. And meanwhile, on this video we only code how to send buy order. On next video we will also learn how we can send sell order. So the first order, so we could have just send it as based on one indicator and so on. So we will keep writing and we will just testing. So how is the result, what was the performance, and so on. So please also any kind of strategy that you like to add on it, so you can just put in a comment, and next video or after that videos on I can just code it, so and we can learn together. So with this way, so you can also give ideas, so what would have been, what can we do in next videos. So please don't forget, you can comment it. So I will copy and paste all these codes that I write here in my Telegram channel. In video description, so you can find Telegram channel. There I just share all these codes, and time to time I also share some projects there, some projects example and so on. So you can find this Telegram channel on video description. That's all for today. Before I close the video, I would like to introduce you Pepperstone, who supports our videos and content. Pepperstone is the global broker that you can trade more than 1,700 products, and you can also use the platform of TradingView, CTrade, or MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. So you can also use all this platform through Pepperstone. I put the link on video description. You can also have 3 months of subscription of Bloomberg Terminal that you can follow the news and market. Oh, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.